Hi, dear Aquarius. A very, very good morning to you guys. So, this is Anjali Tarot, and this is a reading for all the Aquarius people who are in no contact with their particular person right now. Okay, so this is a reading from today till the end of June. So, let's start. Let's see what your person feels for you, what their current feelings for you are. Okay, Aquarius, let's see your partner's current feelings for you, or you can say your person's current feelings for you. Five of Swords. There is some kind of ego battle going on, Aquarius, right now in their energy, and they want to win this battle. This is their energy, okay? So I feel like there was some kind of conflict going on between you guys, and they wanted to win that argument, and they wanted to win this battle, win this. Might be there was some kind of egoistic battle going on between you guys, and you were not ready to compromise. This person was also not ready to compromise, and might be that is why you guys separated, or you guys are no contact with each other right now. Okay, this is what they are feeling. They want to win this argument, they want to win this conflict, whatever conflict you guys are going through. Strange. Aquarius, let's see what you feel for this particular person right now, whomsoever you are in no contact with right now. Let's see. Three of Cups. You feel the need to have a reconciliation. This is the Three of Cups energy. So Aquarius, you feel like you should reconciliate with this particular person. You feel like you want to celebrate your life with this particular person, and you feel like this person is your soulmate, this person is your friend, this person is something very, very different, someone very, very different from the previous relationship that you ever had in the past. So basically, this is your energy, this is your feelings for them. You want to have a reconciliation with this particular person, and they feel like they want to win the battle, win the argument rather than you. They don't want to win you. They are feeling like they should win the battle. They are not feeling like they should win over you. Yeah, let's see what this particular person wants from you, Aquarius. What this particular person wants from you, let's see. Two of Wands. This person wants you to wait. Okay, this is a Two of Wands. So I feel like this person wants you to wait for the right time, for the correct moment, for the correct decision to come out from their side or something like that. But this person wants you to hold on for the time being. Okay, this is what they want from you. Two of Wands. They want you to wait for something to happen, or they want you to wait for the time being, so that they can make a decision for you, or they can make a decision for this particular connection. This is what they want from you. Wait, hold on. Yeah, let's see what you want from this person, Aquarius. Okay, so I feel like you want, somewhere deep down, I feel like you are trying to walk away from this connection. Okay, simultaneously you are feeling like you should reconcile with this particular person, and somewhere you want to walk away from this particular person. So this is contradictory energy that you are having right now, Aquarius. You want a reconciliation as well, and you want to you walk away from this particular person as well. Okay, and the other side of the story is that you want this person to come out of the cold and detached phase. I feel like this person is emotionally off and acting cold and detached towards you, and that is why you just want this person to come out of this detachment phase, okay? This cold and off phase. Yeah, this is what you want from this person. So let's see what to expect from this person till the end of June, Aquarius. Let's see what to expect from this person till the end of June. Eight of Wands, back and forth communication coming in towards you. So what to expect from this person is back and forth communication. Very, very, this is not some kind of short talk or some kind of, just hi, hello type of conversation. This is a conversation to heal things. This is a conversation to, make things good, make things correct. So there's fast communication coming in towards you from this particular person, back and forth communication coming towards you. And if you guys are in a long distance relationship, I feel like this person is traveling to see you by the end of June, and you guys will be together, and there will be hell lot of communications, hell lot of talks, hell lot of sweet nothings between you guys, and this ego battle will settle down. Okay, eventually this ego battle will settle down. Let's see what to expect from you towards them till the end of June. Okay, the Fool. I feel like you will give another chance to this connection. You are already in this phase of reconciliation, and you are already in this phase of, you want this person to come out of this stressful energy that they are right now in. and you want to have a brand new beginning with this particular person. So what to expect from your side is to have a brand new beginning. You are going to give this connection another chance. You are going to take the risk. You are going to take the leap of faith with this particular person till the end of June, Aquarius. This is what I'm getting for you guys right now till the end of June. So thank you so much, Aquarius, for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. God bless you. Namaste. Thank you so much.